Okay, this is a Bauer Harbor Freight grinder. Let's see here. Yep, there it is. 20 volt cordless, 4.5. Oh wow, 7,000? Huh, it's a little slower than I thought. Oh well. Not exactly what I'm worried about. Haven't even fired it up yet. It is 20 volts. I'm a little curious. The thing that sucks for me is it's got a hole on this side, it's got a hole on this side, but it ain't got a hole there. Biscuit. That's my favorite one. Well, you guys could work on that. Love the clip design. That is excellent. You step ahead doing that. Or some type of quick release where you don't got to bust out screwdriver or something like that. That is, yes, thank you. Grip is nice, that's for sure. Imagine by the time I put the battery on, it'd actually balance out. So let's put the battery on. Got a big battery just for the heck of it. And another thing I don't really care for, I'd much rather have a paddle switch with the little lock on it. You know, personally, I just like a paddle. It's a personal thing. I don't like these so-called safety switches because, like, well, here we go, first fire up. When you turn them on, they stay on. They don't turn off the moment you let them go. So you actually have to press down on the little lever, give them up to get it out the hole there. So, yeah, it'll work for what needs to be done, but for a review, just like right off the bat, put a mounting hole there. It would really help a lot of people, pretty sure.